When it comes to styling grey suits, color combinations can make or break your look. Compared to navy suits, grey might seem tricky to pair, but I'm here to change your mind. Grey suits are actually the perfect canvas for creating stunning color combinations that work in any situation. Here's what makes mid-grey truly special. It's the perfect canvas for bolder tie colors. Pink, blue, even forest green work beautifully. Why? Mid-grey has perfect neutral balance, and because grey has no competing color, it enhances whatever you pair with it. Now the combinations that never fail. And I'll show you exactly why each one works. Grey suit, navy tie, white shirt. Your safest proven combination that works anywhere. Grey suit, dark purple tie, white shirt. Adds warmth and sophistication while staying formal. Grey suit, navy tie and blue shirt. Formal elegance with just enough personality. The key is that grey acts as your foundation. It never competes, it only enhances. That's why you should choose ties with subtle color, but avoid being too bold. When possible, avoid grey ties with grey suits. It creates a flat, monotonous look instead of dynamic contrast. Speaking of ties, if you want to build the perfect tie collection for these suits, check out my 5 essential ties video, where I break down the exact ties that work with everything. Let's keep shoes simple but effective. Black leather dress shoes. Oxfords, derbies, brogues and even penny loafers work with all 3 shades. They are your safe classic choice. With light and mid-grey, you can also wear mid to dark brown leather shoes. Remember, the darker the suit, the darker your shoes should be. Brown adds character and warmth, making your look more approachable. Stick to brown with light and mid-grey only. Charcoal looks best with black.